Let's solve this together. It says 9 raised to power x equals to 72. You're going to solve for the value of x. Okay. Now, to solve this, the fastest way to do it is to express this in their lowest index. Okay. So we're going to say that 9 can be expressed in its lowest index as 3 raised to power 2. And 72 on the other hand is equal to 36 times 2, which is equal to 36 is 18 times 2 times 2. Okay, this is equal to 9 times 2 times 2, and 9 we already have it as 3 squared. Okay, sorry, times 2 again, and this is now equal to 3 squared times, now 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 raised to the power of 3. All right, now we're going to substitute these values for 9 and 72 respectively in this equation. So we're going to have, instead of 9 raised to power x, now we're going to have 3 raised to power 2 raised to the power of x to be equal to 72 on the other hand is 3 squared times 2 cubed. Okay, now from here we can now say 3 raised to power 2 raised to power x can be written as 3 raised to power 2 times x, which is 2x, to be equal to 3 squared times 2 raised to power 3. Okay, now next we can take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, so let's say the logarithm of 3 to the power 2x is equal to the logarithm of 3 squared times 2 to the power 3. Okay, now from here, when you have logarithm of n to the power m is equal to m multiplied by logarithm of n. Okay, so for here we'll have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 3 to be equal to, on this other side we will have logarithm of 3 squared plus logarithm of 2 to the power 3. So moving on from here, we're going to have that this is 2x times logarithm of 3 to be equal to, this multiplies the log, so we have 2 times logarithm of 3 plus 3 times logarithm of 2. Now x will now be equal to, divide both sides by 2 times logarithm of 3, so we have 2 times logarithm of 3 plus 3 times logarithm of 2 all over 2 times logarithm of 3. Okay, hence our x will be equal to 2 times logarithm of 3 divided by 2 times logarithm of 3 plus 3 times logarithm of 2 divided by 2 times logarithm of 3. Now this strikes this, so that we have that this is equal to 3 times logarithm of 2, or 3 over 2 times logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 3. Now we're going to apply the law of change of base here to change the base of this. So we have that this is equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 3 can be expressed as logarithm of 2 to base 3. Okay, so this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.